Hi foodies! This is our first ever unbox video of a kitchen product and we have purchased this product with the hope that it would do magic in our kitchen and make my life simpler at kitchen. So we've got this Instantpot multi-use pressure cooker. Unbox this Instantpot. Though it was a long time wish to get an Instant Pot, I was little bit hesitant because I was not sure whether it is really useful, but my husband suggested that it would be definitely useful and just go for it. So we just ordered via Amazon and I'll leave you the link in the description box. It was well packed and when I tried to lift the Instant Pot box, it was really too heavy. And here we go, let's unbox this Instant Pot multi-use pressure cooker. Before that, let's see what's written on all four sides. Onto the one side they have written that it had added new features, it's very smart and quick to use, and it's also mentioned that we can cook food in it to serve up to 6 people. On the next side they have given what they have upgraded, what's inside attached, and on the third side they have written the safety first mechanisms and meals in minutes. They have mentioned the timing and smart programming of food like cheesecake, rice, etc. And on the fourth side they have mentioned 10 in 1. So let's see. So as I opened it, it's mentioned what's inside the box. It's given that there is a steam rack, there's an extra sealing ring, and they also have a guide to start off this, a pressure cooking lid, an inner pot, and a pressure cooker base. They also have mentioned a Get Recipes Instantpot app that we can download onto a mobile and see the recipes, and also they have given a social media community on Facebook where we can connect and get great tips and full support. In the box, yes, of course, there is a guide onto the top, and inside the guide there is a lot of safeguard instructions, control panel functions, how to clean and maintain, and other control features. Also they have given a tablet column where the timings and the cooking methods are mentioned. So let's keep this aside and see later. There's an extra sealing lid as mentioned in, and now let's take the Instant Pot. Oh, they also have a plug circuit. My god, this is really heavy. I'm really excited to see. Wow. Wow, my kitchen add-on. And it's definitely very heavy. So now I have opened this cover and saw that there are a lot of safety instructions given on the lid of the pressure cooker. Not only that, they also have stick warning symbols on the pressure cooker where the steam vent is there. They have mentioned not to put the hand, face or anything close to the steam wall. A bit scary, but no. And now on the digital buttons, there are 10 functions as they have mentioned, like pressure cooker, cooking rice, steam mode, saute mode, slow cook, soups, for cooking soups, for making yogurt, for baking, and they also have some delay start functions. There's a small roll on in between. Hey, I'm so happy and I'm so excited to use this. Let's see what can be done. So on that Instant Pot guide, they have mentioned a toll-free number. So I'm going to place a call to this toll-free number and start off using this Instant Pot. Get ready. After calling the toll-free number, they asked our free time of at least 30 minutes to fix a demo session, and I took this demo session over the phone on a video call. They gave a good customer support and a good demo on over the phone, and they clearly explained how to use the buttons in the Instant Pot. Had all my doubts clarified over that demo session itself. The instructor also mentioned that if I am in need of any help, I can definitely ping to the number mentioned. So I got this Instant Pot around August 2023 and it's almost 3 months of using it, and I have made various dishes using this Instant Pot. Check this out. This Instantpot is really doing wonders, from making basic idli sambar to yummy dum biryanis or baking or whatsoever. So I'll start posting lot of Instantpot recipes and you stay tuned. Until then, meet you in another video. Bye.